welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of ethical hacking tools that go beyond Kali Linux. Now, Kali is like the go-to, the legend, when it comes to penetration testing. But just like you wouldn't use only one smartphone app for everything, relying solely on Kali can be limiting. In the world of tech, having options is key. We're going to explore some powerhouse tools that deserve a spot in your ethical hacking arsenal, even if you swear by Kali. If you're serious about cybersecurity, you need to know what's out there and how to use those same tools defensively. Let's expand that toolkit. So, you're ready to dive deeper into the world of ethical hacking. First things first, diversification. You might be wondering, why not just stick with Kali? It's got it all. And yeah, it's true, Kali Linux is a beast. But here's the thing, relying solely on one platform, even one as powerful as Kali, is like only ever using one type of screwdriver. Sure, it might work for most screws, but what about those unique, weird ones? You're going to run into situations where Kali's built-in tools might not be the perfect fit. Maybe you need a specific feature, a different approach, or just a fresh perspective on a vulnerability. That's where diversifying your toolkit comes in. Think about it like this. Each ethical hacking tool is like a different lens through which you view a system's security. Nmap gives you this wide-angle view, showing you all the devices and services running on a network. Metasploit, that's your zoom lens, letting you zero in on specific vulnerabilities and exploit them. Having a variety of tools at your disposal allows you to choose the best one for the job, leading to more efficient and effective security assessments. Plus, different tools might have different ways of presenting information, making it easier to spot vulnerabilities you might have missed otherwise. It's about being adaptable, being able to adjust your approach based on the specific system you're testing. That's the mark of a truly skilled ethical hacker. And trust me, the more tools you're comfortable with, the more valuable you become in the cybersecurity world. So don't be afraid to venture outside the familiar, to get your hands dirty with different tools and techniques. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a tool that's essential for any aspiring ethical hacker, Nmap, short for Network Mapper. Now, you can think of Nmap as that super observant detective who walks into a room and instantly knows everyone there, what they're doing, and what they're hiding. In the world of cybersecurity, information is key, and that's exactly what Nmap gives you. It's a network scanner that allows you to see what devices are running on a network, what operating systems they're using, what ports are open, and even what services are running on those ports. It's like having X-ray vision for your network. Now you might be wondering, why is this information valuable? Well, for starters, it gives you a baseline understanding of the network you're assessing. You get to see all the players in the game, which is crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities. Think about it. A misconfigured service running on an open port is like leaving your front door wide open. Nmap helps you spot those open doors. With Nmap, you can fingerprint operating systems, meaning you can determine the exact version of Windows or Linux a device is running. Knowing this information allows you to tailor your attacks or your defenses accordingly. And if you're feeling stealthy, Nmap's got you covered there too. It offers various scanning techniques, from the super-fast SYN scan to the more discreet Connect scan, allowing you to gather information without raising any alarms. Whether you're just starting out in ethical hacking or you're a seasoned pro, Nmap is an indispensable tool that should be in your arsenal. So fire up your terminal, type in Nmap, and start exploring the fascinating world of network scanning. Chapter 3. Metasploit, the ethical hacker's Swiss Army knife. Let's talk about Metasploit, one of the most well-known and powerful tools in an ethical hacker's arsenal. Imagine a Swiss Army knife, but instead of blades and screwdrivers, it's packed with exploits, payloads, and all sorts of tools designed to ethically breach systems. That's Metasploit in a nutshell. Now, while Nmap lets you scope out the network, Metasploit is all about taking action. It gives you the ability to exploit known vulnerabilities in systems and applications, effectively simulating real-world attacks. It's like having a key that unlocks a specific door, except in this case, the door is a vulnerable system, and the key is an exploit. But Metasploit is more than just a collection of exploits. It's a framework. an entire ecosystem built around penetration testing. It allows you to develop your own exploits, write custom payloads, and even automate your attacks. One of the things that makes Metasploit so powerful is its massive and constantly updated database of exploits. This database contains exploits for a wide range of operating systems, applications, and devices, making it a one-stop shop for all your ethical hacking needs. If you're serious about ethical hacking, mastering Metasploit is non-negotiable. So dive in, explore the framework, and start ethically breaching systems like a pro. Chapter 4. Wireshark. Unmasking the secrets of network traffic. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about a tool that's all about getting up close and personal with network traffic. Wireshark. Now, if Nmap is the private investigator and Metasploit is the lockpick, Wireshark is the surveillance camera, capturing every single packet of data that flows through a network. Imagine being able to listen in on the conversations happening between devices on a network. That's essentially what Wireshark allows you to do. It captures network traffic in real time, giving you a detailed breakdown of every packet, including its source and destination IP addresses, the protocols used, and even the actual data being transmitted. Now, this might seem like a lot of information to process, and it is. But once you learn how to read and interpret this data, Wireshark becomes an incredibly powerful tool for troubleshooting network issues, analyzing network behavior, and even identifying security threats. Think about it. A malicious actor trying to steal data from a network will leave behind a trail of network traffic. Wireshark allows you to follow this trail to see exactly what data was accessed, where it was sent, and how it was exfiltrated. It's like being a digital detective, piecing together clues to solve a cybercrime. One of the things that makes Wireshark so versatile is its ability to filter and analyze network traffic based on various criteria. You can filter by IP address, protocol, port number, and even specific data patterns. So, whether you're a security analyst, a network administrator, or just someone who's curious about what's happening on their network, Wireshark is an essential tool that deserves a spot in your digital toolbox. Chapter 5. Burp Suite, the website whisperer. Alright, for all you web security enthusiasts out there, this one's for you. Let's talk about Burp Suite, the go-to tool for testing the security of web applications. Now, if you're serious about finding and exploiting vulnerabilities in websites, Burp Suite is your new best friend. Think of Burp Suite as a powerful intercepting proxy that sits between your browser and the web server, giving you complete control over the traffic flowing between them. With Burp Suite, you can intercept, modify, and replay HTTP requests and responses, allowing you to manipulate the data being sent between your browser and the web server. This is incredibly useful for testing for various web vulnerabilities, such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and session hijacking. One of the coolest features of Burp Suite is its ability to automate web application security testing. You can record your actions while browsing a website, and Burp Suite will automatically generate test cases based on your interactions. But Burp Suite is more than just an automated scanner. It's a comprehensive suite of tools designed for every stage of the web application security testing process. Whether you're a penetration tester, a bug bounty hunter, or a web developer looking to build more secure applications, Burp Suite is an indispensable tool in your arsenal. It's the gold standard when it comes to web application security testing. Expanding your hacking horizons. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world of ethical hacking tools beyond Kali Linux. Remember, Kali is a great starting point, but it's just that, a starting point. The tools we covered today, Nmap, Metasploit, Wireshark, and Burp Suite, are just the tip of the iceberg. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Let us know in the comments which tool you find most useful.